Come test drive the 2019 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full-throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, backup camera, keyless entry, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, front floor mats, cruise control, four-wheel ABS. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Subaru certified pre-owned vehicles have no secrets. You never have to wonder about vehicle history, reliability, and durability. Qualifying vehicles have passed through a stringent process determined by Subaru of America. And when shopping for a pre-owned Subaru, the best place to look is your Subaru dealer.